You search for how to buy shares of Canyon Resources Ltd. Canyon Resources Ltd. is a resources company focused on mineral exploration and project development, listed on CBOE AUS under the ticker CAY.ASX. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. You need a broker to trade stocks, and I'll use eToro as the example to show the steps. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, typically with an identity document, and then add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CAY.ASX to find the listing. Make sure you select the correct CBOE AUS result for Canyon Resources Ltd. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the company name, market, and ticker to ensure it is a correct stock. To buy, click Invest, enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until it opens, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. After confirmation, your position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the broker link is in the description if you want to follow the same example.